Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this curly French twist hairstyle step by step. To start, pre-curl the hair and we're going to divide off the front sections from the top of the head to just above the ear on both sides. Next, divide out the crown area of the hair and clip this out of the way for later. Sweep all the remaining hair over to the left hand side. Then I'm going to use bobby pins up the middle of the head, crisscrossing them as I go for security. Now take the hair and we're going to twist it a few times towards the head whilst bringing the ends up, and secure all the way down the right hand side with a few bobby pins. Now I'm going to make a hair bungee out of an elastic band and 2 bobby pins, and I'm just going to insert one of the bobby pins on the right hand side at the top of the twist, pull the other one over to the left and crisscross them. Release that top hair down and secure it into a high ponytail. Next, I'm going to add a lot of volume and texture powder throughout that hair. I'll pop the products I'm using in the description below. Split that top ponytail in half, and starting on the right hand side, I'm going to twist it loosely, then pinch and pull at the hair for more volume and texture. Take this twist from the right hand side over to the left hand side of the head and secure with a few bobby pins. Next, take the other half of the ponytail and we're going to do the same steps, so twist it a few times and pinch and pull for volume. And we're going to take this one from the left hand side over to the right hand side and again secure with as many pins as needed. And now we're just going to pin up the remaining hair. So I'm just going to grab the long sections and again do the same steps, just give it a twist, pinch and pull for more volume, and then secure it going from one side of the head to the other, laying it slightly on top of the other sections for fullness, and secure with pins. And if you've got any little bits of hair that are a bit short, all we're going to do is add a bobby pin to the very end of the hair. And we're just going to roll it towards the head and slide it into the bun. Then pinch and pull. Release the side sections down, and I'm going to leave a little bit out to frame the face. With the rest, I'm going to bring this back to the side of the bun, give it a couple of twists, and then just secure to the side of that bun with a couple of bobby pins. Take the ends and again we're going to twist them a few times and pinch and pull. And I'm going to bring these up and over to the opposite side. And we're going to use this hair to help build a little bit of height in the bun and secure with some pins. And we're just going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side. So take your hair and pin it to the side of the bun. Twist the hair and pinch and pull for some more volume. Then take it from the right hand side over the top to the left, securing with as many pins as needed. Now I'm just curling the front pieces away from the face, and once they've cooled down I'm going to add some texture powder, and I'm going to gently tease the underside of the curl to loosen it up into a wave. Once you're happy with the shape, secure with some Stronghold hairspray. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.